Hi, welcome to the course Visual Studio Code for C#.NET Developers. This course is a guide to learn Visual Studio Code for highly productive editing of C# source code. I am Praveen Kumar Bhauna, shortly Praveen from CodeWithPraveen.com, your instructor for this course. I have over 15 plus years of experience in software development in C#.NET. I have worked in various MNCs developing enterprise applications related to security surveillance, access control, and other automation control systems. In this course, you will gain significant knowledge of using Visual Studio Code for your next C#.NET project. You will be taken through a step-by-step process to know each feature of it. We will look at various features of Visual Studio Code through lots of demos that you as a C# developer can take advantage of. Some of the topics you learn include editing the C# files, navigation and IntelliSense for C# programs, powering up the Visual Studio Code with extensions that suits your style, working with Git and GitHub, debugging tools, writing your own snippets, set up and install Visual Studio Code and .NET Core SDK, and so on. At the end of this course, you will have a strong foundation on using Visual Studio Code for C#.NET programming. You can apply the newly acquired skills to enhance your C# programming career. I designed this course for C# beginners who are starting out with programming. This course will provide you with a strong foundation on using Visual Studio Code for C# programming. Also for experienced C# programmers who are looking for switching to Visual Studio Code from another IDE. As a prerequisite, basic knowledge of C# programming will be helpful but not mandatory. Similarly, basic knowledge of Git will be helpful for the Git section, but again not mandatory. Enroll now to get started.